LiquiTec is a low-odor, fast-curing polyurea waterproofing system designed to restore and upgrade modified bitumen, single-ply, and metal roofs. It provides a durable, UV-resistant, seamless membrane that extends the life of the roof, offers energy savings, and resists chemicals and fungi. Easy to apply by brush, roller, or squeegee, LiquiTec is ideal for sensitive environments and efficient installations. When applying LiquiTec, there are a few key environmental factors to keep in mind. Although LiquiTec is a two-component chemical cure product, temperature plays a crucial role in the application process. In colder environments, LiquiTec tends to thicken, which can reduce coverage and lead to over-application. Additionally, colder temperatures can slow the curing process. On the other hand, higher temperatures can cause the product to become more fluid, making it harder to apply the specified thickness. These warmer conditions also accelerate curing, shortening the working time. To ensure optimal performance, limit installation temperatures to between 50 and 95 degrees Fahrenheit or 10 to 35 degrees Celsius. Also, ensure that overnight temperatures, either before or after application, do not fall below 40 degrees Fahrenheit or 4.4 degrees Celsius. LiquiTec is a true waterproofing membrane with extremely low permeability. If moisture becomes trapped during or before installation, it has nowhere to escape, often showing up overnight or as the material cures in the form of blisters or surface deformations. Dew point is a critical factor when timing the installation. The surface temperature must be at least 6 Fahrenheit degrees or 3 Celsius degrees above the dew point and rising to prevent dew from forming. This will protect the cure from being negatively affected and help prevent blisters caused by trapped moisture. When applying any fluid-applied system, ensuring the correct application rate is critical to the performance and the longevity of the fluid-applied membrane. Coverage rates can vary depending on the specific system and substrate type, so it's essential to follow best practices as outlined in this video and the application guides. There are a couple tools and techniques that aid in ensuring accurate application rates. A notch squeegee is used to spread the material evenly across the surface. However, as the squeegee wears down or accumulates cured material, it will no longer provide consistent coverage. Be sure to replace the squeegee as needed to maintain reliability. A wet mill gauge is an excellent tool for conducting random checks during the installation. By measuring the thickness of the coating while it's wet, you can ensure accurate coverage in real time. The most effective way to control coverage rates is by gridding the buckets. This technique varies depending on the substrate type and whether the application involves fabric reinforcement. For example, on a single-ply roof, the reinforced base coat requires placing a bucket at 40-foot intervals. Because the reinforcing fabric is approximately 40 inches wide, a 4.5-gallon pail will cover approximately 40 lineal feet at the recommended 3 gallons per 100 square feet. Gridding allows the installer to monitor coverage rates in real time, ensuring it's neither too heavy nor too light, rather than discovering issues halfway through or at the end of the project. Before opening a pail of LiquiTec, always ensure you're wearing the proper personal protective equipment, such as safety glasses and gloves. LiquiTec comes conveniently packaged with Part B nested within the Part A pail. To open the pail, it is recommended to make 2 vertical cuts in the plastic. This will help release any pressure and provide a makeshift handle to easily pull the plastic out of the pail. To properly mix LiquiTec, you'll need a corded electric drill equipped with a Jiffy mixing blade. This ensures thorough mixing, especially at the inside corners at the bottom of the pail. Mix Part A for 1 minute. After a minute has passed, slowly add Part B and continue mixing for 2 minutes. For fully reinforced systems, either Grip Polyester Soft or Grip Polyester Firm is embedded into the wet base coat during application. Grip Polyester Soft is ideal for existing modified bitumen substrates. It allows the fabric to conform to the surface's undulations and is perfect for detail work and around flashings. Grip Polyester Firm is designed for use on smoother substrates like single-ply roofing membranes. When installing the fabric, it is essential to back roll according to the application guide. Roll from the center of the embedded fabric outward to help smooth out any wrinkles and ensure proper adhesion. For partially reinforced systems, two options are used at the seams of the existing roof substrate: 3-coursing with grip polyester fabric and LiquiTec, or adhering Unibond ST and overcoating with LiquiTec. The sequencing process for LiquiTec restorations is unique in that you begin with the flashings, followed by the field applications for both the base coat and the top coat. Here is a step-by-step breakdown. For partially reinforced systems, detail seams as previously shown by 3-coursing or with Unibond ST. For the base coat, apply LiquiTec flashing grade gray at the flashings with a heavy-duty nap roller and embed the fabric into the wet coating. Back roll to properly saturate and embed the fabric. LiquiTec is a 2-component chemical cure formulation that typically cures for subsequent applications within 4 to 6 hours. For the field of the roof, apply a base coat of LiquiTec gray with a 3/8-inch notch squeegee and embed the fabric into the wet coating and back roll. Once the base coat application has sufficiently cured, apply LiquiTec at the flashings, white or gray, with a heavy-duty nap roller. Apply a top coat of LiquiTec in the field, white or gray, with a 3/8-inch notch squeegee and back roll to ensure proper coverage and smooth application. Remember, gridding out buckets remains the best method to manage coverage rates throughout the application process. If a walkway is desired for added traction, it can be applied after the roof system, as specified, is fully installed and cured. The recommended application is as follows. Tape off the area where the walkway will be applied. Using a color that contrasts with the new top coat, apply the coating with a 1/4-inch notch squeegee at approximately 1 to 1.5 gallons per 100 square feet. Broadcast roofing granules into the wet coating at a rate of 30 pounds per 100 square feet and back roll to encapsulate the granules into the roof coating. It is recommended to complete a mock-up of the walkway application for owner's review and approval before proceeding with the full installation. Thank you for watching our LiquiTec Fluid Applied Roofing application video. By following the best practices outlined here, along with the provided application guide, you'll achieve top quality results and a job well done. For more information, please reach out to your Garland representative.